May shovel ako.
Wait, which one's yours?
Sa'yo to, dali.
Oo. Saan? Asis. Uy, ang ganda! Alright, what's up mga bros? So makakasama natin ngayon si Kurt at si Alasis for this vlog. And guys, please subscribe on sa mga channel nila. I will put it there so you can subscribe. So guys, we can start na. Why? Why?
Sino gusto na ito?
Are you, is it your first time?
Yes. It's my first time.
Ngayon
Okay, so I'll teach you how do you play that game.
Okay,
So,
okay.
all you have to do is buy your own seed.
Buy my
You
own
want
seeds?
this one?
Where?
You want this one?
I really have this one. I have a water bottle. I have blood pets.
Tengi ako ng dragonfly.
How to buy a seed, bro? Oh, seed shop. Okay.
This one, it's called seed shop.
Okay.
You know how to talk? And you have to, as you can see, there's seeds that are in stock.
I can...
Carrot seed.
So Mercy, someone joined our channel. Yes, Mercy, someone joined. It's my brother.
Okay.
Going to farm. I've been going to farm.
Kurt, what are we going to do on this seed,
I
Kurt?
get to it.
You gotta be the video. You gotta be the video.
Please, hindi ano ba?
Garden.
Please, pengi ako ng pet, guys. Need me pet.
Also, we going to tap on this and then it will grow. Okay.
Oh my
I
god,
can-
there's a mushroom.
Bibili lang ako, guys, ah.
Yeah, I'm gonna get you. Where's the mushroom?
Her seed.
Where's Mercy, bro? Where's Mercy?
Hello, where are you, bro?
Where's Sauce?
Where are you, bro?
I'm actually giving you, click accept. Click accept.
Okay.
Give you, click accept.
Yes.
Send
I click
$1
accept.
million.
I click accept, bro. What is that?
Yeah.
How can?
If
How?
you don't know, you have to sell this thing. Go to the sell stuff.
Okay.
So
And-
click talk.
Okay.
Going to sell.
Okay.
Click option 1. Click I want to sell my inventory.
Okay.
How much is your god?
Okay, so that's all. Yes.
You have 19 million cash right now. You can buy anything if you want to.
Okay.
Alright.
What do you say?
Tita, bibigyan kita nito, dali.
Accept. And then I will send it to.
Your seed shop is reset. That means your seed shop is there's new seeds are coming.
Okay.
But it's too rare while there's a lot of expensive seeds though.
Okay.
Tembi, pwede ba magtagalog yung kasama mo?
Ikaw, bobo, putang ina mo ka! Ha? Inang ina mo!
Speaking Tagalog.
What did I say?
Magtagalog
Kurt,
po.
so
Hindi kami
how can?
Not you have to sell inventory if you're Now when your plant grows, you collect it and sell it to inventory.
Okay. Uy, yung camel. How can I get it, bro?
Come here.
Yung camel. Yung camel, ano ginagawa ng camel?
Oh my god.
Okay. Ganun lang pala. Camel headshot pala to.
Tang ina nyo!
Yeah.
Okay. Hello.
Let's expand.
Wow. Your garden is so good, bro.
Dami mong alam.
Angle.
Thanks, buddy. Because I've been playing Grown Gardens at 8
Not your
days
garden,
ago.
bro.
8 days ago nagalaro ng Grown Garden.
Ano lang eh? Ang cute ng ano.
Bibigay ako sa'yo.
Sige lang.
You're not here.
Ano yan?
Ito kay bibigay.
Ang laki.
Bakit kaibigan? Anong nasa isip mo?
Sige. Ay, sa Anton Place pala to.
Bibigay ko.
I'm giving my ear.
Saan ka, boy?
I did it!
Uy. Give. Accept.
Gift you na. Isa na gift you na.
Okay, thank you, guys.
Guys,
Oh.
Are you trying to sell your pet? Because
Yes.
your brother said this to me.
Yes, I try.
Okay, I'll show you. Follow. You can sell or place your pet if you want to.
Ah, okay.
Pet.
This bamboo, bro.
Are you selling? Wait.
Uy, ang laki naman dyan!
Or just...
Ang laki naman dyan! Alasis kayo yan! Sige nga.
No, I'll give you something very unique. It's very...
Uy, ang...
It's very rare. It's one of the rarest fruits I've ever had.
Uy, para siyang si Rals. Yung pet ko parang si Rascal.
Thank you,
Welcome,
bro.
Alazis. Welcome, Alazis.
Thank you so much.
Welcome, Alazis.
Love siya. Mersos Garden.
Oh, she's on the stream. We said it.
Ano to?
What do we have here? Any rare stuff?
Thank you so much, bro. Thank you so much. Yay. Thank you.
Hey, hold on. Thank you.
Thank you. Bigay ko to sa'yo.
Yeah, I'm trying to accept it, bro. No working.
Bro,
Alasis.
What?
My brother is trying to unfriend you.
Wait, will you do? Wait, hold on. I'm spamming checking click. It's not even working.
Anthony.
Setting my...
Call him Anton. Not Anthony.
So magtatanim ulit tayo.
Par. Million siya, par.
Egg-chug.
Thank you so much, bro.
Kurt.
Ano yung size?
How can paano ako mag-grind? Saan mag-grind? To get a more stuff.
How to get more stuff? Make sure you need gear. Do you mean gear?
Huh?
Hotdog.
Thank you, Kurt Alu.
Grow your plant fast.
Yes.
All you have to...
Wait lang.
Alright, so all you have to do is...
Guys, picture muna tayo, guys.
Tommy.
Guys, picture muna kayo. Ton. 3.
Done.
Alasis, 3, 2, 1.
Follow me.
Okay. I will follow you with my headshot.
What do we do for now on?
Follow my lead.
Okay. I will follow you.
Ito gear.
So dito ako mag-grind.
Port to gear shop.
Okay.
A trowel means it will move plants.
Okay. Ang mahal ng eggs.
Mura lang yun sa...
Ano naman ang dragon fruit? Ang laki yan. Dragon fruit?
19,670,739 lang meron ako.
My size, ang laki yan ng dragon fruit na ako.
Saan? Where?
My garden.
My garden. Okay.
Dragon fruit ay. Laki ng dragon.
May shovel ako.
Wait, which one's yours?
Sa'yo to, dali.
Wow. Saan? Asis. Uy, ang ganda. Ano yan? Na naka-accept na. How can I put to my inventory this one? The grape.
You have to put
Yes.
you have to put your pants.
Yes.
Put it at your farm. You have to put at your farm.
Ano yan, Asis?
Coconut yan.
Okay.
Coconut.
Kala ko yung ano eh. Kala ko yung ibang bola.
Bakit kaibigan? Anong nasa isip mo?
Sa'yo.
Kurt.
The one you using for
Oh, wait. I can sell my fruit, bro.
I'm lagging.
100. Ayun pala. Ganun pala mag-grind. Wet Dragon. Sino to? Alasis. Thank you.
Welcome. Tito naman kita eh. Okay lang yun.
Sana all.
The cat that always bleed. Ala, laki naman ito. Ang laki oh. Ayun.
Yan naman ang guys mo eh.
Okay guys, here's the end of our vlog. Goodbye and see you for the next video. Thank you for collaborating Kurt Alu and Alasis. So guys, subscribe of them and then see you in the next video. Thank you.
Halatang
Hey
streamer.
guys, see you guys in the part 2.
Jello Cruz, yung tomboy na mataba na nang away ng bata sa McDo sa Pasig. Putang ina mo!